We're opening our very first Amphion, a loudspeaker designed and built by hand in Finland. We decided to start with one of their newest launch, the Argon 3X. A passive two-way bookshelf speaker, it combines studio monitor level transparency with exquisite detail. We paired the speaker with the other brand new addition, the Moon 371 network streaming amplifier.
Scared you last night.
Together, the system disappears, leaving just a wide soundstage with precise imaging. Amphion Argon 3X. Come experience a new reference in sound.
Is it too early?